Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to make carrot cake. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mix all my dry ingredients together, and I already have 2 cups of sifted flour, 2 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of baking soda. So I'm going to mix that all together. Then we're going to mix our other ingredients. We're going to add 3 cups of grated carrots, and I've got 1 more cup to grate. I'm going to use my Ninja. Now I'm going to mix in 1 cup of oil, and 4 eggs, so I line my cake pan with parchment paper and I put Crisco on it and then flour so the cake will not stick. Timer for 35 minutes. Sometimes it takes 35, 40 to 45 minutes depending on your oven, and typically I would make this cake in 3 layers, but I'm taking this cake to the Sonny's workers, Sonny's Barbecue Restaurant. Shout out to Sonny's, one of our favorite places to eat. So I'm taking it to them tomorrow. They have to work on New Year's Day, so they might as well have a good treat. As you can see, the cake is out of the oven, so now we're gonna make the icing. This is buttercream icing, and so let's just jump right in. I've already put a half a stick of butter into our mixer. Now I'm gonna put 1 pound of powdered sugar in. Add in 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract and 1 pack of cream cheese. Woo, woo, woo. That went too fast. And there we have our buttercream icing. See that? So we gotta let the cake finish cooling. I'm gonna take it out of the pan. Then I will put the icing on the cake, and I will put some roasted pecans on top. Oh my goodness, I forgot to mix in some coconut. I think I can just mix it with a spoon, very easy. And there we have our coconut buttercream icing. It's New Year's Eve. What are you doing for New Year's Eve? I'm gonna go see a movie at our church, and we've already made brownies to take for the snacks for the intermission, and just gonna be there until midnight, then come home and relax and go to sleep. I'd love to know what you did for New Year's Eve. Put your comments down below. Hope you're having a great day. God bless. If you're not subscribed, I hope you do. Bye.